Mr. Engine, I'm here today. I'm going to tell you 5 signs or 5 symptoms that you need to replace or change your air filter. Your air filter helps your engine to get a clean air to breathe. You know, whether your engine is diesel or gasoline, it needs air for it to work. For the air to be clean enough not to damage or cause any damage to your engine, you need a clean air. And what will give you a clean air is your air filter. It will filter the air so that the air that will go to your engine will be a clean one. Now, what are the 5 signs that you need to replace your air filter? The first one is poor acceleration. When you try to accelerate and you notice that the acceleration is very poor, the car is not moving the way it's supposed to move by the time you accelerate, it is a sign that you need to check or replace your air filter. By the time you accelerate, enough air is not coming to your engine because the filter has clogged. It has prevented enough clean air to come to your engine. Because of that, when you accelerate, the acceleration will not answer you because the filter has clogged. That is the first one. Which one is the second one? Is that you hear a kind of strange noise from the engine. When your engine is coughing or is popping or you observe vibration, it is a sign that you need to replace or change your air filter. Because of lack of clean air or the air is not enough for your engine, you will be hearing a kind of strange noise or your engine may be vibrating. When you hear this kind of sign, it is a sign the engine is telling you that there is no enough air for it to breathe well. So because of that, you hear a strange noise. So when it is like that, check your air filter. The third sign is smokes. Smokes from your tailpipe. What type of smoke? Black smoke from your tailpipe. When you notice a black smoke from your tailpipe, it's simply telling you that there is incomplete combustion because there is not enough air to combust the fuel. The leftover fuel comes out from your exhaust, and because of that, you will notice that the smokes will be black. When you see this kind of strange black smokes, then you should go and check your air filter. You should know there is incomplete combustion. The combustion is not complete. There is some leftover fuel that is not burned because there is not enough air to burn it. So as a result of that, you will see that there will be a lot of smokes right in your tailpipe. So what will you do? Go and replace or clean your air filter. In another video, I'll tell you where you need to replace and where you need to clean your air filter. But a black smoke is a sign that your air filter needs to be cleaned. The fourth one is poor gas mileage. When you notice that you are consuming more gas than you usually, simply because there is no enough combustion, you know that you are going to spend more gas than you usually spend. That is another sign that your air filter needs to be replaced. And the last one I'm going to mention is check engine light. Although clutch fuel filter or dirty fuel filter is not the only reason that can make your engine light to come off, but it's one of the reasons. And when it comes off, you need to check, simply because carbon has deposited, it has built up right on your piston head because there is incomplete combustion. There is enough of carbon that has built up there, and because of this carbon, you see your check engine light will comes up. So when you see your check engine light, you should know that your air filter has clogged and something urgent need to be done, and nothing more than for you to replace your air filter. These are the 5 signs that your air filter has clogged: poor acceleration, strange noise, smokes from the exhaust, black smoke, then poor gas mileage, then engine light comes on. Thank you for listening to me. Hope you enjoy my video. See you in my next video. Mr. Engine. Thank you.